3 days remain before Dr. Nigel Clark steps down as Minister of Finance, and Prime Minister Andrew Holness has yet to announce his replacement. Is he planning to bring the finance ministry under his direct control? In Jamaica, it's not unheard of for the Prime Minister to also serve as the Minister of Finance, though it's uncommon. However, this situation is unique because Holness himself is currently under investigation. The Integrity Commission has been examining his financial affairs, with the investigation reaching a stage where the Financial Investigations Division, FID, and Tax Administration Jamaica, TAJ, are involved, both of which operate under the Ministry of Finance. If Holness were to take over the finance ministry, it would mean he would oversee agencies directly involved in investigating his own finances. This potential conflict of interest raises serious questions. Can he objectively lead a ministry responsible for departments that are scrutinizing his own financial records? Such a scenario would undoubtedly place him in a delicate position, balancing his role as Prime Minister with the impartiality expected of a finance minister. This uncertainty leaves the nation on edge. The finance ministry is one of the most crucial branches of government, guiding the country's economic policies and overseeing financial regulation. Naming a new finance minister would not only provide clarity, but also strengthen public confidence in the government's transparency and commitment to accountability. If Holness does indeed intend to take on this portfolio, it may invite closer scrutiny, both domestically and internationally, given the overlapping interests at play. As the days tick down, the question remains, will Holness risk potential conflict by keeping the finance ministry under his wing? Or will he make a choice that prioritizes transparency over control?